Arora's kitchen. So today we will make one of your favorite non-veg starter, that is crispy fried chicken. Many of you like KFC chicken and you might think that you can't make that in our homes. But today we will make exactly KFC chicken at our homes. So come with me, let's start. Thank you. So let's start. First we will prepare chicken marination. Add ginger garlic paste, tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, salt as per your taste, red chili powder, black pepper, whisk it well. Now we will cut our chicken pieces. See, I have taken drumsticks. We will put gashes into it like this. I will show you one more. This. You can take any pieces of your choice. I have taken boneless chicken also. You can cut it into any shape. You can cut this size, or you can cut this size. We will put gashes on remaining drumsticks. Now we will add these chicken pieces into our marination. Now mix it well, coat the chicken with marination very well. See this. Now keep this chicken in fridge for at least 30 to 35 minutes for a good taste. Now we will make seasoned flour. We will add 3 tablespoon corn flour, 4 tablespoon refined flour, that is maida, add red chili, white salt, add little black pepper. You can add even more herbs and spices like rosemary, thyme, or oregano, and many more of your own choices. Mix it. Our seasoned flour is ready. You can check. So I have taken out the chicken from the fridge. Now we'll do the later process. First, coat the chicken in dry flour like this. Now the trick comes for KFC crispy chicken. We have to take ice water. I will show you. I have taken ice water. I repeat, only ice water, no warm water or normal water. Now dip this chicken piece into water. We have dipped. Take out from this. Now again into our batter. Coat it well. Now we have to fry it. It's ready for frying. We'll keep this in our plate. I will show you one more. Take chicken. First coat in batter. Dip in ice water. Now again coat it with batter. Now we will fry this. So now let's start frying. I will put this chicken piece into frying oil. I will show you. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, share with your friends, family, and do subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes in future. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, take care.